Hey friends, I just thought I would drop in real quick and share with you a haul. This is from Elle Studio. My thought was I would show this to you, go through it really quick, and then I will make my next whatchamacallit with you. Traveler's Notebook spread for the Pieces of Us series that I'm doing on my channel. So this is from Elle Studio. This is what the box looks like. Small, compact, I love it. Open it up. I got this yesterday in the mail, by the way. And all of the goodies are inside. So little card, thank you note from Elle Studio. First comes the January die cuts and journal cards. I want this to be quick, so I'm just gonna flip real quick through all of this so that I can get to the process video. So 4x6 journaling card, there's a couple of those. Here's another one, 2022. And then this one, I adore this one. These are the die cuts that you get. Pretty awesome. And then you have a bunch of 3x4 journaling cards to choose from. They are single-sided. They're blank on the flip side. So, which makes it easier. Then you don't have to choose between which one do I like better and which one do I really want to use. All you have to worry about is one side. I really like these hearts too. These hearts are cute. I like this card. What a great idea for a scrapbook layout. Notes from today. Some more hearts. This kit is love themed, so Valentine's themed. So you're going to see lots of hearts, lots of red, pinks, like blue sort of mints, and blue, of course. So those are the journaling cards. There's quite a bit, right, of the 3x4s. Love that. Next, I got the Love Chipboard Stickers. I love these. I absolutely love tabs. They're one of my favorite things to use, even though I don't use them very often. I do it sparingly, but I do love them. There are the Heart and Star Chipboard Stickers in pinks, corals, and purples, reds. Now, I don't know how well this is going to show up on screen, but these are the cardstock basic shape stickers. They are white. I hope you can see that, but there are hearts up here, there's stars here, and then there's labels and tags down here. Pretty exciting. And then the paper pack. I'm not going to go through the paper pack just to save on some time. You can see all the patterns that are in the pack. Here though, I'll try and hold it so you can get it without the glare. There are 30 sheets in the pack, 15 designs, and they're all 6 by 8.5. I love this XOXO paper right here already off the bat in a grid. You can't go wrong with that. So pretty. So I will be using this collection in one way or another in my next Pieces of Me layout. Stay tuned. Okay, so primarily I'm going to be playing with the die cuts, some of the chipboard stickers, and also one of the journaling cards, the 3x4 journaling cards. I chose this blue mint teal colored one with the hearts all over it to put my journaling. I pulled out one of the die cuts that says slow down and enjoy. This story is about hands. I just showed you the little pennant that I made with my Cricut. I used my Cricut to write the word hands on it. I also used my Cricut to draw the letters 02 that I'm just putting this heart over. This heart is actually, I was going to say close to my heart. It's actually Ellie Edwards. It is not close to my heart. So I drew the 0 and 2 for day 2. And then I found a quote on Pinterest and used my Cricut to write the quote out as well, just below my number. So the pennant with the word hands is being glued to that chipboard heart from Elle Edwards. I do pull out a foam square to put beneath the far edge of it, but it was too high. So I pulled out my craft foam, trimmed a little piece of it, a strip of it off, and then glued it underneath that last part of the pennant, and it was the perfect height. So I used liquid glue to do that. And then once that is done, I'm going to take one of the chipboard hearts from Ellie's studio, the teal one, and put that over top of the blank space at the end of the pennant. I'm just using my finger to hold it down because I noticed it kept popping up. It wasn't totally dry yet. So to help encourage that bond, I just kept my finger on it for a little while. Here comes that little heart. I'm just using my tweezers to help me out because I need it. And I'm adding one of the chipboard stickers to my photo, which I printed at 3 by 8 inches. And that makes up my next double page spread for my Pieces of Me Traveler's Notebook layout. Thanks for joining me today, friends. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and a like. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. I'll be back again soon with more creative inspiration. Bye, friends.